What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. You already know what I'm gonna talk about. TSMP. Beautiful, beautiful signs in the technicals today. I want to go over those technicals. I finally got my confirmation for that conference call tomorrow. And what is gonna happen tomorrow? We're gonna go over that right now, man. But before I do that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market, and I like to share that with anybody willing to listen. So that being said, man, let's just get right into it. TSMP. What a beautiful, beautiful day for TSMP, man. You could tell it was trying to get attacked by the shorts. And we just held strong. And I had a feeling when we held strong, we were going to close at 31. And that's exactly what happened. We closed exactly at 31 cents. A beautiful day. I did sell my 15,000 shares in the morning pop. So I kind of sensed some weakness in here. So when we gapped up and had this huge drop, we had gapped up to the 32.8s, dropped, completely came back. And at this point, I'm thinking, okay, we could run. And then it just had another complete drop off. And then it actually, in this run right here, the smaller account, I had the 5,000 shares. I wound up selling it at 32, just anticipating that we might potentially have a drop again. Because if you really look at the history of every day, we always had this pop, drop, drop. Like it's a continuation pattern in the morning, guys. That's all it is. I've recognized it here, recognized it here, recognized it here. I mean, it continues to happen that way. We're extremely volatile in the morning. A popping and dropping and popping and dropping. So I sold my smaller position in this pop right here. Winded up with an exit of a 32, which was great. Made a solid profit on that. And then when this dropped again, and I was starting to see weakness, I sold my other 10,000 shares at, I believe, 31 something. Let me see here. Yeah, 31065. And then when I noticed the basing, because again, man, I play scared and I don't care. I will admit that anytime I'm involved in a penny stock, an OTC stock, it's just a habit for me because these are the first things that I started studying. It's the first, the OTC market were the first stocks I started getting involved in. And, you know, and I took a bunch of losses on them in the beginning part of my journey. So, you know, I'm always quick to just exit. Either if I feel like it's getting weak, then, you know, I exit. And then when I recognize strength is when I get in. So anyway, so I sold my 15,000 shares. And then when I noticed the strength holding, you know, we were just basing above this right here. We double bottom the 29.39. I said, ooh, okay, we're holding strong. So then I bought back in and was able to grab an extra 1,000 shares. So now I have 16,000 shares long. And then when I started seeing this slow grind, like if you look at the 5-day, 5-minute chart, we are forming another bull flag. And, you know, I talked about it in the bigger picture when we were forming the bull flag here. Boom, we came to a point. We finally had that pop. And now we're starting to form a bull flag here. And you can see the strength picking up. It's getting attacked by shorts, but continued to get bought up. And then boom, we finally pushed through to 31, closed at 31, which was a beautiful sign. We have the conference call tomorrow after market. And I finally got my confirmation. I actually found my confirmation in a promotions file. It wasn't in my actual, you know, regular email. It was actually off in a promotion. It wasn't in spam or it wasn't in my all file. It was in a promotion file in my email. And I found it in there. So cool. So that means I'll be able to keep you guys updated. So the conference calls at 2 o'clock tomorrow. After hours, 2 o'clock my time, because I'm on the West Coast. Obviously, Humble is located in San Diego, so they're West Coast as well. So they're doing the conference call at 2 o'clock. So I will probably put out a video after the conference call. You know, I want to go over, I don't know how long it's going to be, an hour, 2 hours. I honestly don't know. Sometimes things could drag on and sometimes things can be short. But I will definitely take notes, and all the highlights I will definitely share with each and every one of you. And I can't wait for that conference call as well, now that I know I can be a part of it. And then tomorrow, this is showing amazing strength. I mean, just look at this 5-day, 5-minute chart. Everyone was asking me, do I think it's going to collapse? Just like it did pre-conference call from the last one earlier in December. And then just seeing this strength from today tells me that this thing could very well break tomorrow. If we have another gap up into the 32, 33 area, we could definitely break tomorrow. And then obviously the conference calls after hours on Friday. So if they have great news, I could see this thing definitely taking off on Monday, because it's showing a lot of strength today. And it showed a lot of strength in just the last 3 days. Yesterday we had a little dip off, but held beautifully in the 28, 29. And then now we're holding in the 30, 31. So again, man, this is just kind of looking like, if I want to compare this, I kind of want to compare it to right here on this daily move when we finally had the bounce here and then a drop in consolidation, which is pretty much here. We had the run here, drop, and then consolidation, and slowly grind, man. So I think if we break out of this 33, if we break this high tomorrow, we definitely got a shot at breaking the 36 area. And then, like I said, man, then depending on what news comes out on that conference call on Friday, Monday, we could definitely fly on Monday, depending on what comes out in that call. But it's looking strong, guys. I don't see a drop coming. It looks extremely strong. Today proved it. We had the potential to drop, and it just held beautifully. All the bulls are taking over. And I think, like I said before, with more and more eyes on this thing, it definitely has a chance at taking off. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos, please go and do so. I did plenty of due diligence on this stock, on the technicals, on the company itself and what's going on with them. So I'll be sure to put a link, or you could click at the end of this video. I'll be sure to have them up and running for you. Yeah, man, so that's going to be it on TSMP. I did do a couple day trades today. AITX, just to go over that real quick. It did have a breakout, and I was noticing that it gearing up for the break on the multi-day, the break of the 7-7. So I kind of bought it in anticipation, but when I seen the holding in TSMP, again, TSMP to me is more important. I just wound up selling and took a small $60 loss, which was not even a 1% loss. I just wound up cutting it and just instantly moving it back to TSMP. But it did do exactly what I thought it would do, and it did actually break, which was beautiful. And this actually has beautiful breakouts. So, it's almost up a penny from the breakout point. And, we don't have resistance until this 950 area. So if anybody's interested in that, this actually has really nice breakouts. So I'll probably potentially wait for another breakout and potentially trade that again. So I just kind of wanted to go over that real quick. But TSMP, man, TSMP is beautiful. Again, man, I see beautiful things with this, man. It's looking beautiful. It's gearing up. And I think we're gonna have that pop sometime soon, guys. So leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think is going to happen tomorrow. You think we'll get that breakout tomorrow, or you think we could potentially get that breakout on Monday after that conference call? You guys let me know. Again, if you made it this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You can't stop Mafia. It's a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education. Especially in finance, having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you can do that. Please check out my other videos over here, and please subscribe right up there. Very much appreciated. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as possible. So till next time, I'm out, guys. Peace.